Hey guys, great that you're back. Today, I'd like to show you a little problem I have. I tried to hook up my 2-guard dash cam with an extra USB cable because the one that came with the camera was too short. I couldn't get it all the way around and down here and stuff like that to my cigarette lighter plug. It was too short, so I ordered a longer cable, and then I got it all the way over here plugged in here. But as soon as I'm plugging it in here in the USB port, it turns on. It starts recording for it goes in the camera mode for a real short time, but then it goes into this mode because my car or the camera thinks it's connected to a PC. So I can now choose only mass storage or PC camera, and I cannot do anything. It's not recording. So now I will try to figure out how to use an extra long USB cable and to modify it so that it will work, because I don't want to have the cigarette lighter blocked, and that way the cable is not that visible in my box here in my arm box. So we'll try something. So one option in my case is I have another 12-volt socket back here, so I use a different charger and plug it in. That does the trick already, because now it's recording, as you can see, with a little dot here blinking. But I don't want to block my socket, so I'll try something different now. Okay, what I'm trying to do right now is I've read somewhere that if you cover the middle pins with some kind of tape, that will block the data information, because for charging you need the left and the right pin. So I just put a little duct tape now over the middle pins and hope it will work. I'll let you know. Hey, okay, hard to believe, but it works. So I put over the middle ones, it's hard to see, I put some duct tape. The left and the right ones are still okay. We're going to plug that in now here into my, so it's plugged in. Camera is powering up. Yes, and it's working. That was easy. It starts recording, so you can use any USB cable to connect it if the cable is too short, or if you want to if you want to connect it to a regular USB port. So this is cool. Never thought that this would work. Hey, I'm pretty proud of myself that this works. Okay, and that's how I have this camera at the moment in my car. I'm not sure if it stays that way or not. You can see the inside is recorded pretty good. No, it switches in this mode. I don't want it that one. So you can see it's very clear. You have a good outside view, and probably the microphone is recording too, so we're going to check that later, how it sounds like. And yeah, I'm a proud girl now. I hope I could help you with this little trick. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.